Today is a very special one today. Very special live streaming this morning. It's called Maxim. Okay, it's a company called Maxim de Paris. Okay, it's called La Seine. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Okay, so this one is grind by weight and brew by weight. So I mean, I like that feature on coffee machine. Okay, all right, guys. I'm wearing my black gloves here. It's kind of like traditional on my channel. Whenever I'm unboxing something, I like to wear my gloves because it's pretty dirty outside. So, okay, here we go. I'm just gonna unbox that. Ah. Tapes here as well. Okay. Some kind of filter as well. Steam one. This has gotta be like 3 or 4 hole steam one. Oh. They give you a WDT tool as well. They give you spare gaskets, shower screen gaskets. Actually, no, group head gaskets. Okay, group head gaskets. Well, what is this here? Let's open this one up here as well. I'm not kidding. They give you the even cleaner too. So this is the group head cleaner. Wow. They also give you a screen protector as well. Yeah. Look like magnetic dosing ring. So this is a E61. I believe this is the E61 compatible. Okay. You know, let me double check that. Yep. So they are compatible with the E61. Comes to portafilter. Man, this thing is pretty thick, isn't it? Okay. I mean, looks good. Feels good as well, but a little thicker side. But yeah, feels really nice to hold it. Okay. Okay. They even give you tamping mat, if you ask me. So this is pretty nice. End of table, you can just set like this. All right. Yeah. One bottomless, one spouted. And also give you another filter basket as well. Yeah. So, yeah, they even give you a distribution tool as well. Maxim as well. Comes with a nice milk jug as well. This is the perfect for like double small latte. Yep. Spring-loaded action as well. Crazy. Fantastic. Comes to, so here's the hopper. And no. Here we go. So I got, hold on a second here. So this is it. There we go. Let's higher up. Like that. Here's a water tank. Right. Again, black goes on the top for the hose. Okay. Drip tray is pretty large. All right. Okay, here is the grind by weight and brew by weight. And then where's the hopper? Hopper goes right here. You just click right in. Open, close, open, close. Let's see. Portafilter goes in. Okay. So here's the grinder. I believe on the top, faucet is gonna be automatic. By grind by weight, on the bottom is a manual. That's what they say. So obviously we got this is the metal tray with the plastic body, portafilter. We have the hopper on the side, on the top as well. And then there's a grinder screen, obviously. Here's a steam one. Okay. And then let's to the side. So here's a dial. This dial, I don't know. What do you guys think about this dial? Yeah, let me know in the comment section as well. Yeah. Let me know. Okay. Here's, all right. Comes to look wise, I mean, looks nice. Okay. But comes to performance and build quality, the next thing we got to do is we have to brew. Okay, so that is the next step. All right. So, if you want to steam it, right here. Pretty strong. So, if you guys want the functionality and also build quality, you have to spend extra money. I mean, there's no options. All right. I mean, if you want the quality and also if you want the functionality, yes, you have to pay a lot of money. So this one does have a functionality: grind by weight, brew by weight, and also steam on has a temperature sensor built in, so it doesn't overheat as well. Okay. Having said that, build quality, is that good? I mean, if you like plastic, you're gonna love this machine. If you like plastic, fits right in here, goes right there. I'm gonna add some coffee, dude. Okay. This is a brew by weight. Man, first time brewing right now, so goodness, let's give it a try. Standard, constant mode, variable mode, and manual mode as well. So let's go, standard mode here. That's double shot. Okay, let's give you a quick overview. We got the lights underneath as well. Got one lights. We have a light on the side as well. I mean, again, it comes to aesthetically, it is a little fancy machine. Yes, it does have a lot of plastic. Okay, let's not overlook that. Okay, here we go. Double shot. Here's a different number, different stats. So far, 22 grams extracted. Time. Let's see here, 37 seconds. Hopefully you guys can see it. At 38 grams. Oops, I accidentally shut it off. There we go. Yeah. It's not bad. I thought it's going to be a lot of channeling, but it doesn't. Yeah. Over extracted, but hey. Not bad for first time. We're going to do one more shot after this. Cheers, guys. It's fine. It's definitely coffee. Yeah. We're going to do one more. It's a little bitter. Okay, a little bitter there, so. Okay, locked it in. 32 to like 36 grams. That's the on button paddle. Shot looks pretty good. The time give you the $36 at 24 seconds. That's a nice looking shot. Yeah, much better. Much better with this coffee. Yeah. So 16 gram was good. 14, grind size number 14 as well. Brew by weight, grind by weight works just fine. I think it's gonna be channeling because this is the brand new grinder too. Okay, the brand new grinder. So, which means it hasn't seasoned yet. But overall, my experience works good so far. The main thing is this plastic knob here. Okay, I mean this is plastic. Okay? It's not metal. It's flimsy. Okay, it's flimsy. All right, this flimsy knob. It's not flow control. Nothing to do with it. Just a flimsy. On and off switch. Plastic there. This one is not bad. Okay. Again, this paddle thing, you know what? I mean, it's not a game breaker. You know, it's not a deal breaker. Okay. Hot water, not deal breaker. Same thing for the grinder as well. Grinder adjustment. Man, I mean, I wish they did a better job. Hold on. I mean, you know, it looks shiny, but it's not. I wish they made a bit better quality plastic as well. I mean, you know, there is a level of plastic, right? Okay, some plastic is better than other plastics, but this one is a little flimsy. Okay, it's shiny but flimsy. I do like the lights. Okay, lights on the side. Has, like I mentioned, is a lot of functionality built in already. Plastic. I don't like the plastic. A cup warmer tray. Yeah, I don't like the cup warmer tray. It's a fact is plastic. I wish it's metal, but how about milk? Okay, how's the milk? Yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, let's steam some milk, guys. Okay. Not a big fan of warm milk, but that's all I have it here. Okay, just make sure I wipe it clean. Yeah, flush it. Maybe some nice hearts. Let's give it a try here. So this is a Colombia, by the way. It's not exactly this coffee. I definitely enjoy the you know, without the milk, but it's all right. Yeah, but steaming, it does work just fine. Do I like this machine? Do I recommend it? If you already have a Brabant machine at home, if I were you, I'm gonna skip this one. Okay, definitely skip this one. But if you like the machine, if you love Ninja, okay, if you love like Ninja or like appliance type of coffee machines, something easy. All right. Okay, I mean, this might interest you. You don't have to think much with this machine, since you don't have to worry about grind by weight is really nice. Just set it. Brew by weight, pretty nice as well. But I mean, the plastic, people don't like plastic nowadays, right? I mean, that's the if you can overlook that, if as long as if you overlook the plastic portion of this machine, I think you're gonna be fine. Okay, but if you truly care about the beer quality, save money. Okay, if you really care about the beer quality of the machine, save money. What is the warranty like? What is the future service like? I mean, that's the question I bet you most people have. As long as if something goes wrong, they can fix this machine for you. I'll feel comfortable, okay, getting this machine. But if I have no way to fix this machine, you know what? I don't want you to take a risk, okay? Even with $1,100 coffee machine.